Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Luxman Say, back with another video. Welcome or welcome back. Yes girl, another day, another tutorial. Yes, Lovely Hair has been spoiling your girl lately, okay? And they sent me this beautiful curly bob. And yeah, let me get y'all put on. Yeah, so per usual, you always want to make sure you have your cap, tinted. I always use my foundation like I tell you guys, and then I also put some foundation on the wig lace just to kind of give that extra invisibility. Yeah, so then go ahead and try it on and line it up to your hairline and see where you want the lace to be cut, right? Yeah. And after that, you're going to go ahead and lift the lace back and then add your glue. Well, I'm kind of straying away from glue because their hairsprays really work, y'all. And I'm not one to keep my wig in for too long, so the hairsprays does what it's supposed to do for the time that it's supposed to last. Yeah, so after the spray, you go ahead and use your blow dryer to, dry the glue or the hairspray. But it dries like glue, so works just like glue. And then check to make sure it's ready. Then you go ahead and cut the excess cap, yeah, to make, to give you that illusion that it's your scalp. You know how it goes. Oh, sorry, y'all. I was in the middle of like singing my favorite songs. I was jamming during this filming. But yes, girl, so go ahead and cut that excess cap. And as you can see, I'm actually not cutting the whole cap because this is actually a closure wig. It's not a full lace front, so I'm only focusing on the parts where the lace, the wig lace will be attached to. So yeah, then you go back and add a little more hairspray because you want to make sure that it's seamless, right? So after that hairspray, guess what we do? We go ahead and use that blow dryer, baby. You always need that blow dryer because it just melts. Like the blow dryer does the melting for you. And then as you see, I'm using the comb in forward motion, so it just helps the excess lace stick down perfectly. As you can see, you can even see the difference between that side and the side where I didn't put the spray on. So yeah, as you see girl, yup, scalp is giving scalp. And y'all excuse my voice. I think I'm coming down with a cold, so I probably sound like a freaking frog right now. But that's okay, girl, because I'm gonna get y'all these tutorials, okay? With or without sickness, we're gonna get these done. But yeah, girl, as you see, you're gonna go ahead and use your hot comb and use some spray on your hairline because it helps with the hairline basically lay down flatter, so it basically looks like it's coming out of your scalp, right? I taught y'all this before. If you've watched my other wig tutorials, y'all know I love this trick right here. So go ahead and put some spray on your hairline, then go in with the hot comb because it gives you that little silky slick down look. So after a little cute round of hot combing, now I want to, glue my wig to my cap. So I went back in and used a little more spray. Like I told you guys, I'm not using any glue, so it's just going to be all spray. Yeah, so then, like I said, every time you use spray or glue, you always want to use blow dryer right after because it just does the melting. And yes, then you go in with your elastic band. Y'all, these elastic bands do the job. Don't use any silk or any whatever you use for your edges or to lay down your wig. Please only use an elastic band. I've recently learned this and it's the best thing I've ever done. Yes, so I kept it on for about 10 minutes. Then I came back and now it's time to do the work. Yeah, remove the excess lace from your wig and kind of just, work it around your hairline to make it look, to match your natural hairline. And as you can see, I still had a few spots, that were a little lifted. So I went back in again with my spray because I'm just going to spray it down until it looks like it's coming out of my head. Yeah. So after that, guess what we're doing? More blow drying. Yeah. And of course, after the blow drying, you're going to go ahead and put your elastic band back on. And yes, this will be the final, what can I call it? The final gluing stage. And while my lace is drying, I went ahead and started styling this gorgeous babe. I really love bobs. Like, bobs are really my thing. And this one right here was giving Marilyn Monroe. Okay, like, love me hair. Y'all stay hooking me up. I love y'all so much. And did I tell y'all I have a discount code? I am so sorry, y'all. I have a 25% discount code that you can use, which is Lux25 on these affordable wigs already. It's like they basically want to give it to you for free because the wigs are so affordable, and then you're giving out discount codes. And why would you not jump on this, girl? Like, go ahead and spend your money over there. It is so worth it. But yeah, so continuing with the styling, I just added the wax stick to kind of, you know, lay down the flyaways. Then you want to go back in with the hot comb to just kind of like, you know, settle everything, make everything blend and look nice and smooth. And the little swoop part took me a minute. Like right there, I had to do it multiple times, but I ended up getting it right. So now my lace is dry. Go ahead and remove the lace. It's giving what? It's giving scalp, baby. Oh, don't play with that girl. Yeah, but I know y'all saw the little white itty bitty part, so I went ahead and put a little more foundation on it to kind of, you know, camouflage. And as you can see, we're not doing baby hairs today because who needs baby hair when this lace is lacing like it's lacing, right? Period. And I went ahead and finished the styling off camera, and bam, baby girl, this is the finished look. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving rich auntie. It's giving she got all the money. But like I said, you guys, check out my description box below. It has all the information, the discount code, the link to the wig, and happy shopping, ladies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Mwah.